everyone, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here, and today I have a quick tutorial on how to reuse your planner covers. So I ended up losing the beginning of the tutorial. I don't know where that footage went, so I'm gonna do this little intro first. And so basically what I did is I upcycled or recycled this planner cover. So as you can see, this was my planner for 2017, and I just love the cover so much. It's a soft black, it has rose gold foiled polka dots, and it's totally my jam. So I decided to keep the covers and I made them into little notebooks. I don't keep my planners. When I'm done, I throw them out. I keep the papers or anything that I may want from the planner. I keep it, the rest I recycle. But this is a great way to recycle the covers of your favorite planners. Beautiful, and it's a really fun little notebook, sketchbook. You can do your bullet journaling in here, you can do planning, you can write letters, you can do so many different things with these really fun and easy notebooks. So if you want to see how I put this together, just keep on watching. So I'm just creasing it in the middle. I have 11 sheets, so that gives me 22 back to back, and it's a little bit smaller than the cover, which is what I wanted, so I hope that it'll staple just fine. That's why I didn't add a lot of paper. So I'm going to keep the date on the back. You can obviously keep it this way, cover it up, do some decorating on the front, but I just want to keep it simple, so I'm just flipping it upside down, I guess it would be. And so the date is going to stay in the back. That doesn't bother me. What I think I'm going to do is actually use clips to clip it in place. Okay. You want to get it right in the middle of the crease. As close as possible is the best way to go. I'm gonna be adding 3, so let me do the first 2 on the bottom. That's the best one. Alright guys, there you have it. Super simple and easy to make Commonplace notebook. I'm really excited to fill this up with quotes and my favorite song lyrics or ideas for future projects. It's gonna be so much fun to use this up, and that way you upcycled a journal cover from an agenda or a planner and you made your own journal. Isn't that so much fun? This looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with it. I can't wait to get started on it. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY upcycling project idea for journal making. If you have any questions, just please leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you are notified when I have a new video up, and click the like button so I know you want more DIY kind of journal videos like this. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!